we have made it to Amsterdam. We just checked into the hotel, which is right behind us. Our room isn't ready yet, so we're gonna go explore Amsterdam again. So we were here last year, but only for what, 5 hours, 6 hours?
It wasn't that long.
We were here to take like a canal ride, and we had about 2 or 3 hours downtown to kind of walk around. So now we're gonna go explore a little bit more.
To the farm to have lunch.
Yes, we went to the Pew family farm, so you can check that out on my YouTube channel, where they Viator had set up a dine with the locals. It's like a local immersion into the food and farming and things like that. It was pretty cool. But it's the Pew family farm, and I don't even know how I remember that because I'm horrible with names, but I remember it was like that good of a time. They have a bunch of cows. It was utterly awesome. Let's go check it out. Maybe we can find some brownies. I have to keep teasing away from them. She has bad times with that stuff. When you come to Amsterdam, there are more bikes here than people. I don't know how the math works out, but it does. There's more bikes per people, and bikes have the right of way. People don't have the right of way. So when you come to Amsterdam and you hear bing bing, you better get out of the way because you're gonna get run over. So I'm not sure if you can see the angle of the buildings in the video, but they're all tilted or leaning forward, every one of them. So in this old part of town, pretty much every building is angled or leaning in some way, shape, or fashion. Have you seen these houses? They have these doors up at the top. Well, that's why. So when you got to move in or move out, they have a big door so you don't have to go up all the way. Pretty smart. the Red Light District. And I'm going to talk about this after that van goes by. Well, you know, Amsterdam's known for a lot of things. Brothels and, well, good brownies. And over here you can go check out the Motherlode over here at the Weed Museum. I don't know what their prices are, but I'm sure it's probably pretty high.
Bunny.
Bunny! Now, Amsterdam's kind of funny about things like weed's legal, but if you buy it from somebody on the street, it's illegal. So you got to buy it from a shop. And then we are in the Red Light District, but they're working on shutting it down because Amsterdam doesn't want to be known as the Red Light District capital, I guess. So you may or may not see anything if you're looking for something, but I guess we'll see. No. So I was wrong. I don't know if you can read that sign right there, but it says live shows and then a hospital bar, whatever that is.
You forgot the
Just in case you get hurt. Just in case you're interested, they got a window for rent. It's 125 euros from 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. So if you're looking for some extra money, maybe you can go there. Maybe I can get some spending money. I'll go over there tonight, see what I can get. Like, pay me to keep it on. So there you go. You guys see what it looks like for a window show without the show. So here in Amsterdam, the housing prices are so expensive. You'll see a bunch of these boats down the canals because it's so much cheaper for them to buy those boats and live on them and pay the rent fee for the dock than it is to buy a house here. Now, when I was here last time, I asked the canal cruise guide about how much those boats cost. He said it cost anywhere from 750,000 to over €1 million, depending on their condition. That just shows you how expensive housing is here in Amsterdam. When you fly into Amsterdam, the fastest way and the cheapest way to get into Amsterdam is by taking the train. It was €4.90 per ticket to get from Schiphol Airport to Amsterdam Central, which is right behind me. And from here, all the hotels and everything are right here. Restaurants, everything. There's a couple great hotels right here, including the NH Collection. There's a DoubleTree just over here as well. There's the Victoria Hotel, which is right over there. There's a lot of stuff to do, and here's where you can pick up your canal cruises as well. So it's a great place to come by and grab a cruise, and then head on down the canals, check everything out, and you come on back, and then you're good to go. So if you're coming to Amsterdam for the day, come into Amsterdam Central, do whatever you need to do, and you can hop right back out of town really easy. About 4/10 of a mile from Amsterdam Central. If you follow away from the the terminal, you're going to come up to the Amsterdam Palace. It's really cool. They got a little courtyard out here. There's some seats out here. If you like birds, there's pigeons all over the place over here. But it's not that far of a walk. It's a pretty cool place to check out. And there's a lot of interesting places that you'll pass along the way. I'll not say what you'll pass, but if you come down to the palace from the train station, I guarantee you're going to see something interesting. Am I right?
Yes, very interesting.
Very interesting. So behind me is the National Monument on Dam Square. It is a 1956 census path in Amsterdam, and it's a national remembrance of the dead, and the ceremony for the remembrance of the dead is held every year on May 4th. So may the 4th be with them. But it's to commemorate the casualties of World War II and subsequent armed conflicts of the Netherlands. If you're looking for canal tours, you come across the Amsterdam Central. If you don't want to take the ones that are right in front, and there are about 7 different operators out here. Looks like they all charge the same thing: $10 a child, or 10 euros a child, 14.50 an adult for 1 hour. And if you're looking for an awesome place to take a picture with all of the leaning houses by the canal boats, is probably the best place to do it. The road will bend around as if you're heading back to the terminal, and on your right hand side will be a fantastic place to take that picture. Want to see what I mean? Look. If you're not looking for the best place to stay in Amsterdam, you can always go to the 3-star hotel. You know, 4 stars not good enough and 3 stars not good enough. Well, you can always come hang out at the 2-star hotel. At least they're honest.